So after signing up for AcreValue Pro, the next question for a lot of our users is this information accessible on my mobile device? I use AcreValue Pro religiously when I'm at my office or by my desk, but sometimes it's really nice to have access to this information if I'm in the field. I usually drive and ride with a tablet. The answer is yes. Though we don't have a formal application in the App Store yet, our website is mobile friendly. You can use a lot of the same features that you can on our desktop version on the mobile version. And we're also going to leverage the GPS within your phone so you can drill down and drop a pin at your exact location and see landowners adjacent to you. So to get AcreValue Pro on your phone, I'm simply going to go to Google here and type in AcreValue. Again, I am just on my phone's mobile browser. I'm using Safari because I'm on an iOS device. If you're Android, obviously you probably have Google Chrome or something like that. I'm going to go to AcreValue. When I get to AcreValue, I'm going to notice just my home page. I'm not logged in yet, so it notices me as just merely a basic user. After that, I'm going to first log in. So I'm going to click that menu button over on the top right. I'm going to click log in. It's already memorized my password, therefore I will log in. I now notice AcreValue Pro on the top left side of my screen. From there, I'm going to click Maps on the top right. After that, again, you are going to see essentially what you would see on the desktop, just optimized for a mobile version. We have our basic search up here, where I can enter the county, township, city, or address. I have the ability to zoom in just using my fingers, and it will zoom in and essentially, again, be my mobile interactive plat map. And then I also have this really cool button down here in the bottom left corner called Find Me. Again, this button does use your GPS in your phone. I'm going to click it. The next thing that's going to pop up is, would you like AcreValue to use your current location? I'm going to press OK, and it's going to drop a pin at my current location. Today, obviously, I'm right next to the University of Illinois. From there, I can literally start to see, and I'm going to move a little bit south because I'm more residential commercial property. But as I move south of town and go to some of the farm fields, you'll notice those outlines appear just as they do on the Pro version of our service on the desktop. I can then click by merely tapping on, and I can add as many of these parcels into my report as I want, again, just like on the desktop. I can also get some quick information on the parcels I selected. I'm just going to click this little arrow up button on the bottom half of my screen. This will provide me with the parcel information. We are in Illinois, so it is showing me an acre value, the acres, the productivity index, the owner name, owner mailing address, etc. I also have the ability to get the full report down here or either up here. I'm going to get this full report. Once that report generates, again, I will get all the information that I'm used to getting on the desktop. I have the acre values for the 2 parcels I selected. I can also then toggle between my multiple reports. I can get the soil survey, the crop history, and the ownership information. Again, all from my mobile device. I can then share this information right from my phone. I have the ability to configure the report. Say I'm not interested in the crop history because it's just corn and soybeans since we're in Illinois. I'll delete that from my report. I can press continue. I have the ability to copy that link and send it via email or text. I have the ability to download that report and maybe print it. If I have a wireless printer set up, I can also email it directly from here. So I'm going to basically not share the report right now. Exit out. And I'm going to go back. Say I wanted to select a 3rd parcel. I just simply press the back button, and you'll notice I still have those 2 fields selected as shown up here right next to my Get Full Report button. If I wanted to, I can exit out of one of those fields by clicking the drop down there and merely pressing one of the X buttons on the right hand side, or I can clear them both by selecting Clear All here. And then I can grab additional reports, etc. I can also then use the basic search up here. I can select Champaign County or wherever I'd like to go, and again it will drop a pin in the center of town. You'll also see that little blue icon down there, so it still is recognizing my GPS location. and I can then drill down and select on any parcel to generate another report. I know going to AcreValue.com on a mobile browser is an extra step, but you can also add this to your homepage on your mobile device, and I'm going to show you how right here on an iPhone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button down here, a square with an arrow popping out of it. When I do that, I have the ability to add to home screen right down here. And then I can edit my title. I'm going to exit out. I'm going to just put AcreValue Pro. Click Add. And voila, you'll see right down there, AcreValue Pro icon, and I have the ability to click it and access AcreValue Pro straight from my mobile device. I really hope this video helped. Thanks for being a subscriber.